Why is the mic monitoring option grayed out on my device?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to tackle an issue that many of us have encountered at some point, the mic monitoring option being grayed out on a device. It's a common hiccup, but with a few steps, we can definitely get to the bottom of this. Let's dive right in.
What is mic monitoring?
Before we dive into the solution, let's clarify what we mean by mic monitoring. Mic monitoring, also known as side tone, is a feature that allows you to hear your own voice through your headset. This can be very helpful in controlling the volume of your voice when you are using headphones.
Why is mic monitoring option grayed out?
If the mic monitoring option is grayed out, it could mean a few things. The first and most common reason is that your device's current settings or software do not support this feature. The second possible reason is that there might be a problem with your device's drivers. Lastly, it's possible that the device you are trying to use does not support mic monitoring.
How to fix the issue?
Now, let's move on to the solutions. 1. Check if your device supports mic monitoring. Not all devices are equipped with this feature. Make sure your headset or device has the mic monitoring feature. 2. Update your drivers. If your device does support mic monitoring and it's still grayed out, there might be a problem with your drivers. Ensure that your audio drivers are up to date. 3. Try a different device. If updating your drivers does not solve the problem, you might want to try a different device to see if mic monitoring is still grayed out. 4. Contact customer support. If none of the above methods work, your best bet might be to contact customer support for your device. They might have additional solutions specific to your device. That's all for today's tech tutorial. I hope these tips help you resolve the grayed out mic monitoring issue on your device. Remember, technology is our friend, but sometimes it needs a little bit of help. Stay curious, keep learning, and see you in our next video.